Hello, maybe you would like to input your IP address manually, or you would like to see how to input your IP address manually on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Just simply right click on here and on the Wi-Fi icon and click on network and internet setting. Simply click on Wi-Fi if it is connected, or if you would love to input your IP address on Ethernet, just simply click on it and then go to this option, automatic or DHCP. Click on edit and then click automatic DHCP. Just simply select the manual option. So after selecting this one, you will have two more options like IPv4 and IPv6. As we have IPv4, IP version 4, just simply input your IP address that you want to go with, like 1.11, and then input your subnet mask or other informations and simply click on save. And one more thing that you can do is just simply press on Windows button and then R from your computer keyboard, and simply type in cpa.cpl and press enter. After that, you will have your all the adapters options. Like as you can see, this one is not connected, this one is not connected, and this one is not connected. So Wi-Fi is connected. Just simply right click on it and click on properties. After that, go to these options and find out internet protocol version 4 and simply select use following IP addresses. Without this one, like obtain an IP address automatically, it means your IP address will be selected, or you will get the IP address automatically. So we would love to use this one. Just simply type the IP address that you have, 0.10 or anything that you have from your ISP or from your router. So just simply click on OK. After inputting here is the DNS server. Basically, we are trying to use the DNS server of Google. That's why we are providing the same information almost everywhere. So after providing these information, simply click on yes, and then your IP address will be assigned. Thanks for watching, and if you have any issue regarding these or other options, then I am here to help you from Tech Travel Solved.